All right, as promised, we are now talking about PEZ in this Chicago journey. And I am in one of the coolest PEZ rooms I have ever been in. And one of the reasons I think this is one of the coolest PEZ rooms is because of how many carded items there are. And some of the limited items that are carded. And salesman samples. And a vending machine. Beautiful paint. And here we always talk about home workers putting together anything that they can so that they can feed their family because they sell units. Here we see a Wonder Woman on card, purple and gray stem. Very cool. And yet another vending machine. Did I mention another vending machine? And of course, no PEZ collection is complete without artwork on the wall. A lot of PEZ collectors have a lot of artwork. Some of the best art, or artists, art makers I was about to say, are in the PEZ community.
Isn't that Gray Scrooge?
Oh, yes, yes, there we go. Mint in cello, the Gray Scrooge McDuck. That's a Hong Kong one. And we know what we say about those Hong Kongs and them funky colors. And these are French, correct?
No. But the ones with the French.
These are French. Okay.
That pink cool cats.
Yeah. Here we see the American version of the Make-A-Face. You can see the shoe that we did the video on inside of there.
The Olympic Snowman's cool. People like that one.
Yes, the Olympic Snowman on card. 1976 Olympics. This thing's over 40 years old, still holding together.
Mm-hmm.
Ta-da. Very nice piece. Here we see some of the Easter wide cards that they offered. The Merry Melody cards that are really hard to find. Here's something cool here. A pink card with 4 grape candies in it. And another thing, the yellow card. Do you have a yellow card? I don't think anybody else has a yellow card. I'm calling it out. Some random loose PEZ. You may have purchased these PEZ. You may actually own these PEZ now. I haven't really told anybody where I'm at right now, but we are in Chicago, home of Jeff Rosenberg. We are currently here at his home. And this is his PEZ room. Very cool. And look at the J on the hat. And then here we see on the Make-A-Face the red shoe. Also available in blue. That's the European shoe for it. Now these Erie Spectres, they're salesman samples. They're actually not on Made in USA stems. These are double IMC, aren't they?
No, 3-4 Austria.
Oh, just 3-4 Austria.
IMC3.
IMC3. Very cool looking.
The other ones were the same. I don't even know if USA was made yet. These are because they're like early.
That's cool. Jeff pointed this out to me that I needed to show everyone. Here is the PEZ baseball set. Scarce at best. And also, here is mint in box, never opened. The baseball dispenser set looking like so. With the advertisement. Here's a couple of pieces of artwork that are featured in Jeff's book. Here we see the different Lions Club's dispensers. The one on the left is going to be the inscribed stem.
Yeah, the best part, the bride and groom. Orange.
And here we have a Lions Club mint and cello. You don't care if I turn these around, do you?
Yeah, go for it.
There's the insert for the Lions Club. This is a scarce piece at best. And here we have two grooms and a blonde bride. And look at that insert. Those inserts are from the wedding. So these will be blank stem dispensers. Now, the rumor has it, it was a wedding of a PEZ employee's family, and these were handed out as favors with blank stems on one side, so you could sign your name on it, or have the bride and groom sign it and have a little keepsake. And these actually made it. And a nice orange Mexican mint in cello. Very cool insert of a flying bear with some strange writing. Very cool. And here we have some cows. And some more cows. I like that cow with the black eyes. And here's one with a deep blue head. It's another orange face. Very cool looking dispensers. There you see the marbled headdress on the chic. Very awesome, very cool.